Hi, my name is Vinny. I'm the current designer and developer of the new twintierslive.com. This tutorial is to get you started on how to add posts, as well as upload images and insert video, and show you around the new platform which Twintiers is now built on, which is called WordPress. Okay, so to get started, we need to log into the administrator panel to the back end of the server. To do that, we go up here to the subscribe/login button and click that button. And then it brings us to the login page. I'm going to go ahead and log in. The username is admin, and the password is tiers365. That's capital T as in Tim, IERS 365. The number is 365. Okay. Go ahead and log in. And when it logs us in, it brings us to the dashboard or the landing page of the administrator area. On the dashboard, we have 3 different windows which can pretty much show us what's happening now on our website. Under the Right Now window, it shows all the posts that are active, the pages, categories, and tags that we are currently using. And it also shows how many comments are on the website and if there are any pending comments on any of the articles. And we can actually approve comments from this window as well. Here we have the quick press window, and here we could upload a new post really quickly by just putting in a title, some content, adding some tags, and then click publish, and it'll go straight to the site. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go over how to add a new post. Over here on the sidebar, we have this post menu. We can open and close it by pressing the arrow. We'll go ahead and click on posts. Then it brings me to the post page. You can see all the posts that are on the website, and if there are more than just the posts here, there would be multiple pages. Okay, let's go to Add New. There's 2 places, either here on the side or up at the top. I'm going to click the top one. And this is the post editor. You can see here we can add our title here up at the top. We have the content area. We have down here at the bottom this discussion box. We can tell it if we want to allow comments on the article or not. Over here we have a publish window where we can just save a draft if we want to. We could also set the privacy settings of the article, and we could also change when we want this article to publish. Let's say I wanted to write an article tonight but want it published tomorrow. I could just change the date here and the time, press OK, and it'll upload automatically in the morning on time. Okay. There's also the categories here, and these are some pre-set up categories that I have set up for the site. And if we need to add a new category, we just press this button here, and we can add a new category, and then press this button, Add New. There's also the tags. You can add tags, and this is for SEO. Search engines, and for like Google and Yahoo and other search engines to help find our article better. Okay, so I'm going to add a new post. So I'm going to put in a title. I'm going to do an article on the tsunami in Japan. Okay, that's my title. And first thing I'm going to do is upload an image. So here's our little widget bar. And we have basic styling tools. And then we also have some extra tools to help us input video and images. So for the images, I'm going to go here, add an image. and it gives me this new window, and it's asking to upload a media file or the image file from my computer. I'm going to click Select Files. My browser window opens, and I had saved one earlier onto the desktop. This picture here. And then once it uploads, we have a few different options. We could change the title if we want. This just by default is the file name. If the file name is really long or just a bunch of mixed up numbers and letters, I suggest changing it to something relevant. For the alt text, I'm going to go ahead and put in Japan Tsunami 2011. And that's the little tooltip that pops up when you hover over top of the image. Down here we have the alignment, whether we want it to be left, center, right, or none. If we don't want it to be inside of the text at all, I'm going to leave it on left. And then you can change the size of it. WordPress can automatically size the image from full size, medium, or like a little thumbnail. I'm going to put mine on medium, so it's a decent size for our post. And then once you're all finished with this, you just press Insert into Post. There it is in our post here. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a headline, and up here in the toolbar, I'm going to change the formatting to heading 1. And I'm going to add my title here. Okay, so there's my headline, and right now don't worry about the spacing on any of this, because the stylings are added after we publish it to the website. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and write my article. Now I'll just copy paste it. Okay, now I've written my article, and now I want to do some more styling. Let's say I want to change this first paragraph. And take this first paragraph, I'm going to change it to heading 3, make it a little bigger, and I'm going to change the color to like a blue color. Yeah. Okay. Easily like that. And then at the bottom, I think I'm going to add a video down here. So I'm going to add a new heading. Call this video breaking news. And I found a nice video on YouTube to add underneath here. Okay, so to do that, to add a video from YouTube, I'm going to go ahead to this button here, which is a little film strip with the yellow V, Insert Video Shortcode. When I click that,